Once upon a time, there was a little boy named Tommy. Tommy was a happy boy who loved to play. He had big, bright eyes and a smile that could light up a room. Every day, Tommy went to kindergarten. He loved to play with blocks and draw pictures. But one day, something sad happened. A bigger boy took Tommy's favorite toy and wouldn't give it back. Tommy felt sad and scared. Tommy wanted to tell his mom, but he was afraid. He thought, Mom might be busy, or maybe it's a small thing. So, Tommy kept quiet. At home, Tommy's mom noticed he was sad. She asked, Tommy, what's wrong? But Tommy just shook his head and said, Nothing, Mom. Days passed, and Tommy stayed quiet. But inside, he felt very sad. Finally, one day, Tommy's mom sat down with him. She said, Tommy, you can tell me anything, big or small. I'm always here for you. Tommy looked into his mom's kind eyes. He felt a warm feeling in his heart. He decided to tell her about the toy and the big boy. His mom listened carefully. She gave Tommy a big hug and said, I'm so glad you told me. Let's figure this out together. The next day, Tommy's mom went to the kindergarten. She talked with the teacher about the big boy and the toy. The teacher helped, and soon Tommy got his favorite toy back. Tommy learned that it's okay to share problems with his mom. She was there to help and listen. No matter what, Tommy felt happy again and knew that he could always tell his mom anything.